Oh, you're gonna stand next to it? Hold on. Which button is it? Just hold it, because I can still frame it. There you go.
You know, in case it rains.
No, this is what I like. Look at that one.
You got something similar to that at home?
Yeah, I got one from Lanzarote.
Oh, I don't want, but
Some more in here, look.
what if they stop the bottles in here, John?
Maybe. Phone case, or a new phone
Look.
case? Oh yeah, they're
The
good.
London one.
What?
They have other prints.
Oh, hold on.
Oh wow, look at that. 20 quid? Well, it's not, it's 50. My mistake. Why is it the shops that have nothing to do with Harry Potter sell the better stuff? What?
They got signs.
I am not having Old Trafford in my sports bar.
Why?
Because I don't like Man U. I have to have Liverpool because Sam's a Liverpool fan, but...
Why they got metal playing?
Oh yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Paddington there, look for boys. Group.
Yeah, but I think I'd create cheaper than stuff. I don't know how much that is, because I can't reach it.
What?
That metal plate on.
I don't know, outside. Where I go? Hang on. No. Get there, they're nice. Get a coaster with it, look. Or a lid. You got one of them?
I like that.
What?
That rucksack.
Why do you need a rucksack?
I don't,
Well then.
but I'm just saying that I like it.
Get them, I like them. They're nice, but I don't use hip flats.
I got
Some tea. Oh look, yeah.
green blue, because Harry Ann's got a grey one.
Yeah. 2 for 50.
Eh?
2 for 50.
Yeah.
Get a cup there, Mad John.
I went for the boys. For their little spending money when they go to COS next year.
Get one in COS. That says COS on it.
He said he wanted a watch.
Well, we know where to get one.
Yeah.
£5, that's not bad, is it?
Yeah, that's not bad. But I think he wants a like an interactive one.
Oh, it was a smart one like yours.
Yeah.
They're not bad, are they? 2 quid for. Oh, look at them, they're nice.
Yeah.
20 quid then.
We wanted to give one of the baby ones. Yeah,
Oh look. Tower Bridge, Abbey Road, Baker Street.
Oh wow. I like the little one.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Oh, and we can get fridge magnets like that when we're round and about.
I want to know.
No, I'm okay.
Hey, they're new, Sarah. I've not seen them before.
What?
These rehab ones. Monster. Real beer. I love real beer.
Yeah.
Right, we need to go.
That way. Yeah, underground.
Now it's got warm again.
See?
tiny steps where you can actually queue in total over this whole weekend. Yeah.
That's Roman fort, that look. Old London walls.
You want to have a look in it?
Who's that geezer? Emperor Trajan. AD.
Look at the detail on it there.
Yeah, but that's what the armour's like.
Even the belly button.
You want to three, that's Roman.